Are you afraid of voiding your manufacturer's warranty? Can you choose where to take your vehicle for services, or do you always have to go back to the dealership? Hi, I'm Nancy at Nevilles Auto Service Center, and in short, the answer is no. By law, under the FTC or Federal Trade Commission, the nation's consumer protection agency, it states that automotive manufacturers and dealerships are not allowed to force you to have your vehicle's maintenance and services done with them. You as the consumer may choose to take your vehicle to any automotive service of your choice. Now, automotive recalls, now they're totally different. A recall is when the manufacturer or the NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, determines there is a safety-related problem, which needs to be fixed. The automaker should notify you, the owner, and repairs are done by the manufacturer for free. Now, here are some recommendations to follow when choosing your automotive center. Best way is usually references from people, friends, family, somebody you trust. Check reviews online. Look for certifications displayed at the automotive center, especially ASE certifications. Now, they are Automotive Service of Excellence, and that signifies the technician meets standards of knowledge and technical skill. Make sure you maintain your vehicle and you have the services done regularly that's recommended by the manufacturer for your vehicle, whether it's with me or someone else. Now, if you like our video, give it a thumbs up and press the share button so everyone understands their rights when having their car serviced. And if you have a question or comment below, please enter it in the comments section. I'd be more than happy to answer that for you. Thank you for watching.